Thank you, Dr. Craig. That was really helpful. I have a question about N.T. Wright in his Jesus and the Victory of God. He maintains penal substitution, but when you look at his evil and the justice of God, and even in his newer work, in his explanation of what penal substitution is, it looks as though it's not penal substitution. And I'd just like for you to talk about.
I especially think of his book, The Day the Revolution Began, which he sent me graciously in preprint. And when I read the vicious caricature of traditional atonement theories in that book, I pled with him to revise the book before submitting it to Harper, and he declined to do so. But I think that is a terrible hatchet job on traditional atonement theories. And at last year's AARSBL meeting, in a session in which he spoke, I challenged him from the floor on this and said, can you name a single traditional atonement theorist in the history of Christendom who has held to this so-called neo-pagan view of the atonement that you oppose? He couldn't name one. So I do not think that he has treated fairly the great traditional atonement theorists like St. Anselm and Augustine and Hugo Grotius and Turretin and so many others. We need to get back to these primary sources because the secondary literature, frankly, is very misleading on these great thinkers of the past. Thank you very much.